When somebody plans to apply for Canada, what is that one document that is the most important? I'm pretty sure that is IELTS certificate. I'm going to share some 5 hacks with you which actually helped me to go from 6.5 band to 8.5. So stay tuned to the video. If you have decided to give IELTS, my very first step for you is plan. It is very important to plan your IELTS examination preparation before. Why? Because when I applied for my IELTS exam, it actually takes around 10 to 15 days to get the study material. You get the study material from the center itself. When I talk about India, we have 2 organizations who actually organize the IELTS exam. One is British Council, another one is IDB. Both the organizations have a very similar setup, and both the organizations send you some study material, okay, to study for this particular examination. But do not wait for that study material, because if I applied for this particular exam and I booked my slot and I got the confirmation, that means after 10 to 15 days I will get my study material through courier, okay, and after that particular time I will have my exam after a week or 10 days after that. So you have a very short period of time to study, okay. So it's very important, as soon as you book your slot, please start preparing for the exam. So now my second hack for you is that do not focus on one single section. So now in IELTS, what happens that you have 4 different sections. One is reading, writing, speaking and listening. So now in these 4 sections, do not get involved in one particular section. People think that if we score more in one section, it will be okay. No, it does not happen like that. For example, in all the 4 sections, I have a very good knowledge in speaking. Okay, I'm very confident in that. If I get 9 in speaking and 5 or 5.5 in other sections, it doesn't work like that. You won't be selected in any universities or colleges in Canada or in UK. Trust me. You need to balance out the scores. If I have a scoring like 6, 6, 6 and 6.5 in all the 4 sections, then I do have decent chances of getting into any college and university. But you have 9 or 8 in any of the sections and you have low scores in others, it doesn't work like that. But a minimum criteria for you to focus on is getting 6 in each band. That's the minimum criteria, minimum. Do not score less than 6, because if you are going to score less than 6, it actually makes it dicey to get accepted in universities and colleges. So minimum criteria is 6 in each band. Third is clearing the confusion between giving the exam online or written. Very important. People do get confused that it would be easy to give exam online and difficult on place. It does not work like that, guys. I have given both the exams, online also and physical also. So in my opinion, online exams are pretty difficult because you need to type down everything. You need to type down, you need to think and type, and then erasing out takes time. And when you write physically, okay, it actually is easy. So understand how you want to get. I'm not putting down my opinion here, but compare it for yourself, that do you want to give it online or do you want to give it in person, if you want to go to a center and then give the exam. It totally depends on you. Second option is that when you are giving speaking exams on the webcam, okay, when it's happening online, there's always a chance of power cut, there's always a chance that the network does not work or any other mishaps. So just to be sure, on a safer side, I always prefer a physical center and give the exam there. But please understand for yourself, compare it for yourself, that which one is better. My fourth and very important hack is always focus on one band, which is writing. I think writing is one of the sections which are actually very important when you are applying for studies abroad, because some of the university does have a very particular criteria that they want this particular band in writing, probably around 6.5 to 7. So please do focus on writing part. We do feel that we have been writing English all our life and we know we can ace this band, but it does not work like that. When I actually gave my first exam, I scored really low in writing. When I gave it second time, I really scored really less in that band. When I scored the third time, then it increased because I really worked hard that time. So it's important because writing band is really important for the university, particularly if your course is research based or you're going into a science field. Then of course, no doubt, your particular band in writing is the most important. So work on that. So now we are on the last hack. I said that practice is very important for IELTS. So I'm gonna put down some very free links in the description box. You can go and check out their website. They have some really cool stuff where you can go and practice, and all the material are free, and it is actually the way it will be in the exam time. Okay, so all the questions are curated in a manner which were there in last exams, in past exams. Those questions are there in the website, and you can actually practice it out. All the listening section, reading, writing, speaking section, everything is there, and you can practice it out, and everything is free. I'm gonna put it in the description. Go check it out. Always remember, IELTS exam is a time-based exam. So whenever you are practicing, have a stopwatch with you, or you can time it out in your mobile phone. Each section have a very particular time. Okay, so please time it out, manage your time. It's very important. So thank you so much for watching today's video. Here were the 5 tips that actually helped me to score 8.5 within 1 month. My previous exam I got 6.5, and after these 5 things, when I inculcated, I got to 8.5. So it was good for me. I hope it will work for you also. So if you liked the video, please hit like. Share it with the people who are actually going to give this exam in future, and subscribe to my channel. I'm very new to YouTube and I would love to have your support. So please subscribe to the red button down. Thank you so much.